and Americana Rockabilly Superstar by night. Let's hear it for Graveyard Pete and New Appalachian Sound. Yeah. All right, baby. Well, happy COMFEST. We're Graveyard Pete and the New Appalachian Sound, baby, and this is Grasshopper. Well, I'm on my way to see you drop the bike and grab a stride across the path enough to cut the train whistle rides. Tighten up the strings if your shoes are getting loose. I gotta wake them on the Mackinac boots. It does not matter, Jenny's sick of all the dust. Grab the garden hose and turn the alley into mud. She got a big country boy and a spangles in his hand. They burn the wheels from the creek, let's get together while we can. Berries of them everywhere you go. We put them in the cloud on the stereo. Mama got Chuck on the speaker while she cleans. Hello, we'll be on the moment. Purple stains on the beat. Purple stains on the beat. Gotta put a lawn boy and we try again. Baby, no, thank you, Grammy, I already got paid. Well, that's okay, boy, keep it anyway. Because the way I'm gonna be until there ain't no more sun. I'm going outside, I'm gonna rush run. Going outside to the pen road. Gonna save a pretty Christmas from the fire breathing smoke. It's the fire breathing. The dusty dry can, nothing quite as cool as that big trash can. Rolling down the alley, gonna learn on the slide. If we get too dusty, Jenny gonna tell my heart. She gonna tell my heart. She gonna tell my heart. All right, on. Hey, back here, keeping us in time on the drum. Say hi to Lowe's Gears. It's the loneliest pistol. Baby, here we are now, way past December, and I ain't seen you since I can't remember. And when I did, I just smiled, stood 6 feet away. Yeah, maybe that was a plan before we lost it, and I guess we didn't figure the cost. We just rolled up, pissed it all away. Baby, I guess we were all just in the way. So now there's no one there to keep Man, we got a new EP out. It's called Sunbury Underground. And this next song here, Castles in the Sand, well, you can find it on that EP right over there at the merch table and also at graveyardpete.com. It's Castles in the Sand, Will. Woman at the table kind of making me a mess. Sat down here bearing that red dress. She hit home and she laid the fingers on my new bone. Well, slide a little closer, you feel like home. Never mind the bourbon smell and cheap home. You can walk with me through fields of righteous tone. Well, come along, baby, won't you ride with me? On the back through the hills of Tennessee. We'll stop in Kentucky for some cold fried tea. And baby, take a long way home. Yeah, but not up 23. 4 more to go, now it sounds like a plan. Stop somewhere and find a medicine man. Come along with me and build castles in the sand. She got the cotton cross in place. I poured a cup of coffee that she brewed just a minute before. There's a woman in the kitchen making me a mess. Wearing my shirt like her favorite night dress. She smiles through messy hair and tickles him too. Come along, baby, won't you ride with me? On the back through the hills of Tennessee. We'll stop in Kentucky for some cold night tea. And baby, take a long way home. Yeah, but not up 23. Oh, go now sounds like a plan. Stop somewhere on a medicine man. Come along with me and build castles in the sand. Won't you come along with me and build castles in the sand? Said come along with me and build castles in the sand. Woo! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone having a good time out there? Yeah, stay hydrated any way you do. Thank you, COMFEST, for having this every year. And over here on this hot slide guitar, that's Will Christopherson. And this is Gone. Soft throw of candlelight cast shadows on the wall. She's on the phone reading a book, but I don't know who is still awake to call. I'm sitting on the couch playing my old guitar. It's 5 below when the wind is throwing ice against the But your memory still rides hot at night, trembling sweat in the moonlight. The moments it seemed you were perfect. But over time, water wears away the stone, leave you standing all alone, and you don't know where it went. It's just gone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, just here to the right, there's amazing talent over here, a friend of ours on the violin / fiddle. Well, this is Megan Ray Wetzel. Maybe get it up for Megan Ray. Man, we're going to tell you a story right now. We're going to take you way back. This is Rottenwood. A lot of muddy water rolling down Short Creek, thick and sticky mud in that Yankee stream. I got a lot of that mud still on me. I don't know if I'll ever come. Basement steps, they're at the supper table. I'm fuzzy running off into an all-day dream. Pick a spot on the wall and fall into a rabbit hole. I take a couple hours just to eat for a baby. Singing glorious sunlight, shining over those deep green hills. Blowing my way was not the wind as the could see. Frost on the grass and a shiver on my shoulder from my fresh morning chill. Cause all my tools are put away in the pockets in the pail. I went floating over the hills, my spirit says sail. Muddy water rolling down Short Creek, thick and sticky mud in that Yankee stream. I got a lot of that mud still on me, and I don't know if I'll ever come clean. So take a stiff drink, now you're in good hands. The cards are on the table, put the cutters outside. Take a deep breath, lay it all on me. Keep your eyes on the prize, and we'll take it inside. Singing glorious sunlight, shining over those deep. Blowing my way was not the wind that the essence frost on the grass and a shiver on my shoulder from a fresh morning chill.
Shiver on my shoulder from a fresh morning chill.
Cause all my tools are put away in the pockets in the pail. I went floating over the hills, my spirit says sail. Shoulder from a fresh morning chill.
A shiver on my shoulder from a fresh morning chill.
Cause all my tools are put away in the pockets in the pail. I went floating over the hill, my spirit said sail. A lot of muddy water rolling down Short Creek, thick and sticky mud in that Yankee Street.
Glorious sunlight,
rolling down Short Creek, thick and sticky mud in that Yankee Street.
Glorious sunlight,
singing on my six string. Bottom of the barrel and my wells run dry.
Glorious sunlight,
nothing but thorns on the rotten
wood side. Thank you.
little rotten for your head. Well, I'll take just here a brief moment to upstring here. I want to introduce our friend over here on the keys. You know, when my friend and I, Candy, started writing this piece, this next one, and I knew that it wasn't going to be for me. I didn't know who it was going to be for until I met this lady behind the keys over here. I want everyone to give a big welcome to Carly Quillen.
Thank you.
And this next song we're going to be singing, well, she's going to be singing it. It's called Dead on the Ground.
Sorry, readjustment of the mic. Let's do this thing. As the autumn leaves fall to the ground, it's another long year of just waiting around. And the sky was on fire with a bright morning glow, and the frost hung like crystal on the weeping willow. But the forces of dreams will be the forces of schemes, and the forces that lay you dormant, it seems. So stare out the window and wait for July. It'll all be gone in due time. And I see your old place next to mine in the bed, the cold empty space where you once laid your head. Like the autumn winds down with a chill as it fades, no smile in your eyes, your caress now escapes. On a beach in the summer or a soft falling rain, nothing calms a storm that brews in your brain. But if you don't take no steps, yeah, you won't fall, but you'll only have dreams at the end of it all. The thorns in the bushes and the chill in the air make it easy to see that you don't care. Better fight Thank you so much.
Give it up one more time for the new Appalachian sound right here.
Woo!
Hey man, switching out this instrument change right here. Mike putting down his bass and he's picking up his chosen instrument, the electric guitar. And don't let that kilt scare you. He means it. All right, this next tune is called Road to Boulder, and most of it's true. Here we go. Wasn't feeling right, got smacked in the head, out with the lights, and woke up mad and tried to kick a can. I missed by a mile, fell down again. And a fella offered me a helping hand. He said his name was Pete and he was starting a band. I said I really can't play and I really can't sing, but if you help me up, I'll take a swing at this thing. Said his fiddle player moved to Saginaw, and his singer's hemmed up on a robbery charge, but our back beats the saving grace. The best picker we got's playing bass.
And I'm walking down the tracks, guitar straps across our shoulders. I'm never looking back on the roads to Boulder.
So we took our strings to a local bar, and it was not a bad place. After all, they had drunks on the floor and stoners on the wall, and they had a nice price on alcohol. This place was a dingy urban sprawl, had a hooker doing business in the bathroom stall, and walking around in the middle of this place was a cool-looking dude, tattoos on his face. We was up on the stage and working the field. Tattoo came up, sang Wagon Wheel, had a few people yelling at the song, and thanks for all the cheap alcohol.
And I'm walking down the tracks, guitar straps across our shoulders. I'm never looking back on the roads to Boulder.
Had too much beer, had to wash my hands, so I had to go talk to the hooker again. I'd help you, baby, if I can, but I'm more of a one-man woman kind of man. So I left the stall and headed for the bar. Got me a shot before last call. Got me so high, I forgot why, and I taught my new friends just to pass the time. Sometime when you hit the hard asphalt, nothing makes much sense at all. You think the world's gonna smack you again, but fortune throws you a couple good friends. And we're walking down the tracks, guitar straps across our shoulders. I'm never looking back on the roads of Boulder. Perfect. All right. Oh, man, over here on the acoustic guitar backup vocals, that is Josh Cook. Man, he's one of our friends, and I wrote this next song for all our friends, especially from those from way back. I miss you guys, baby. This is Canadian Whiskey. If you got them, hold them up. I'm leaning on the jukebox next to you, bro. Fresh pack of smokes to blow, the easiest call. I was born from the ashes, from the fire and the land. When I'm ready to lay claim wherever we stand. Not looking for trouble, don't cut me. Oh, love is not fighters, just quick to have fun. Quick with a courage, boyish grin. All cast from the cold steel in the ridge. So pour another glass of Canadian whiskey. Yeah, we got plenty of time when this bottle is gone. We'll step outside just for a moment. Come right back in, step with the song. Yeah. Well, back from the river with David Brand. Come meet Brad and the boys and drink till we fall. We shoot 8-ball toast wishes, blood on blood. I never wanted to end, I never missed last call. And the girls from back home, they were looking so pretty. All made up and painted so close to me, dog. And dancing away with Amy and Cindy. Well, I remember them well and I loved them all. So pour another glass of Canadian whiskey. Yeah, we got plenty of time and when this bottle is gone. We'll step outside just for a moment. Come right back in, step with the song, yeah. I think of those times and I look back fondly. Yeah, but they're gone and they're happy like a rider on a hog. But the ridge has been cleared and the coal has been done. And what's not gone to rust of the steel is dull. It'll be sad when they lay us in a casket. Yeah, but we didn't have to die for those tears to fall. So raise a glass to the past and a fallen debris. And pour another shot of Canadian whiskey. So pour another glass of Canadian whiskey. Yeah, we got plenty of time when this bottle is gone. We'll step outside just for a moment. Come right back in, step with the song, yeah. Ah! Canadian whiskey, we got one more left for you here. And I am Andy Orman, and we are Graveyard Pete in the new Appalachian sound, baby. Lowe's, let's go! Side on down. Heads up high. night at the Angry Mill, yeah. I found my bowl at the whiskey still. Well, not to get you broken hearted. I think Frankenstein needs kick-started. I'm driving home.
I'm driving home.
In the driving rain.
In the driving rain.
Unrefined.
Unrefined.
Unrestrained. Rolling on.
Rolling on.
Air or fire. Bound by the change of time. It's a hot picker's night at the Angry Mill, yeah. I found my troll at the whiskey still. Well, look, little Sybil just slipped in the shade. I sure did like your finger running through my curly hair there, babe. And I'm driving home.
I'm driving home.
In the driving rain.
In the driving rain.
Unrefined.
Unrefined.
Unrestrained.
Rolling on.
By the chains of time. Night at the Angry Mill, yeah. I got caught playing Slapsy Maxie at the whiskey still. I wake up every morning with that Saigon blonde. I make love with that woman all day long. And we're driving home.
I'm riding home.
In the driving
In the driving rain.
unrefined,
Unrefined.
unrestrained, rolling on, fair or fright, bound by the change of time. I'm bound. Pete, the new Appalachian sound man. You can check us out over at this merch table and online at graveyardpete.com.
Thank you.
Oh, we need more than that for Graveyard Pete. I liked it too.